Welcome to day 20 of your meditation journey. Today, we'll take time to reflect with gratitude. Gratitude for this journey you've embarked on, for the effort you've put in, and for all the small steps that have brought you to this moment. Gratitude can bring peace to the mind, joy to the heart, and a profound sense of connection to life. Let's begin. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Rest your hands gently on your lap or by your sides. Close your eyes and take a deep, cleansing breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's repeat that. Inhale deeply and exhale. Feel your body settling, becoming more grounded with each breath. Now, allow your breath to flow naturally. Notice the gentle rhythm, the rise and fall of your chest, the soft sensation of air entering and leaving your nose. With each breath, allow your body to relax more fully. Bring your attention to your heart. Picture a warm, glowing light in the center of your chest. This light represents gratitude. With every inhale, imagine it growing a little brighter, a little warmer. With every exhale, feel it spreading through your body, filling you with a sense of appreciation and joy. Take a moment to reflect on this journey you've been on. Think about the time you've dedicated to these meditations, the moments you've carved out for yourself. Acknowledge your effort and commitment. Silently repeat these words. I am grateful for my dedication. I honor my progress. Now, shift your attention outward. Think of something or someone in your life you're grateful for today. It could be a person, a place, or even a small moment of kindness. Hold this in your mind's eye and feel gratitude swelling in your heart. Allow that gratitude to flow through you, warming your entire body. If you'd like, silently repeat. I am grateful for the blessings in my life. Take a moment to expand your gratitude further. Imagine sending this feeling of appreciation outward, to your family, your friends, to your community, and beyond. Imagine this warm, glowing light reaching far and wide, spreading positivity and connection. Now, bring your focus back to your breath. Feel its steady rhythm anchoring you in this moment. Notice how your body feels, how your mind feels. Rest here for a few moments, basking in this sense of gratitude and connection. When you're ready, begin to bring awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently stretch if it feels right. Take a final deep breath in and exhale slowly. Open your eyes when you feel ready, returning to the present moment. Thank you for taking the time to cultivate gratitude today. Remember, gratitude is a powerful tool that can shift your perspective and bring more joy into your life. Take this feeling with you into the rest of your day, and I look forward to joining you tomorrow for the next step on this journey. Thank you for meditating with me. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. This helps my channel a lot. Or share your experience with your meditation in the comments. Come back daily to build your habit. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow.